There's no getting away from the fact that things have been getting tough recently, with many large-scale global crises affecting all parts of living, inflation's hitting all-time highs and impending recessions looming on the horizon. It's not surprising that many people are looking to the internet to help make some extra money. Well, here at Bridging Online, that's exactly what we specialise in. In this video, we have put together a list of ideas so you can figure out ways to help you get through any rough financial times that might be just around that corner. In this list, we'll cover everything from earning a little bit of extra beer money to where to invest any money you already have, and also the best ways to start online businesses during tough economic times. So without further ado, let's get started. So first up on our list, complete online surveys. You probably already know about this, but for a small amount of effort, it's possible to make a bit of decent extra income. Websites like Prolific offer roughly minimum wage. Maybe not enough to think about changing jobs, but enough to help boost your income with some easy work. They also have a Chrome extension to notify you when new surveys are added so you can jump straight into earnings and more. Payout is easy and has a minimum of around £5. There are other websites similar, but we think this is about as good as you can get. 2. Cashback. This is another method that is relatively common, but there are things you can do to improve the amount you earn. Websites like Swagbucks and Top Cashback can offer decent money for things that you already do. We regularly use Top Cashback to earn a decent chunk of money back when buying larger products or services. The third on our list is bank switching deals. We're not quite sure how these are done in other countries outside of the UK, if at all. But here, banks will often offer large rewards when you switch to their banks. How we do this is to have one secondary bank account with a couple of direct debits in it. Generally, this is a bill account or similar. It's usually required by the new bank you are switching to have some direct debits or to make sure you pay in X amount of money in the first few months. Then using this secondary account every year or so, switch it to a new bank and make use of the offers. This year, a bank called First Direct was offering £175 to switch to them, considering it will take you no longer than an hour of total time to switch and get set up with a new bank. That's £175 an hour. Well worth it in our opinion. Even if it took you 4 or 5 hours, that's still worth the time for that kind of money. One thing to note is that this will add a surge to your credit report, so if you're looking to get any big forms of credit, it might be worth holding off switching for now. But for most people, this will have a very small, mostly insignificant effect on your credit report. So go nuts! Our fourth on this list, product review jobs. These are websites that will give you products to review in exchange for some extra cash. Generally, you can expect to be paid around £7 to £20 for tasks that may take you anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes. There are lots of websites that do this and all their rates differ slightly, but one that we like is called Testing Time. Give it a little look and see if this is something that works for you. The next part of our video is about what to do if you want to earn more than just some extra beer money. Maybe you want a new job or career, or you're looking to start a new side project. During recessions, there are always opportunities to be had as many things tend to change quickly. So grab your entrepreneurial hat and get thinking of ways you can help people with problems they might have. So here's a few ideas to get you started. Affiliate marketing. One of the best ways we have made money is through affiliate marketing. We've even just done a full hour-long tutorial on exactly how we got started here. This is an easy to start project that could turn into a full-time job. If you're passionate about something and can create content around it, then you are already on the right course. Next, e-commerce. This ranges all the way from Amazon to the occasional selling on eBay or Etsy. If you have a skill and can create things or have spotted a potential product you could sell, then setting up a little online store is easy, and doing it during a recession could be just the lifeline people are looking for. There's lots of information online about starting e-commerce businesses, so get researching and go see what you can do. Finally, we'll look at some of the best things you can do with the money you already have or have just recently earned. If you've got some savings or are looking at new ways to start saving, then this next section will be perfect for you. Investing your money. Very roughly speaking, whenever there is a recession or an economic downturn, the values of stocks and shares tend to go down, which makes it a good time to buy, as historically they are likely to regain their price, making it a good investment for you. There's a lot more that goes into this than we're going to go into now, but don't be afraid to buy if the prices are dropping. Better yet, if you want to play it safe, you can invest regularly to even out the risk to places like Vanguard. 2. Saving your money. With interest rates being bumped up all the time, banks are starting to offer decent rates for you to store your money with them. We're seeing 2 to 3% here in the UK for short-term locked, with a bit less for instant access. You might still need quite a bit for it to be worthwhile, but it's better than keeping your money in a current account with no rewards. Definitely worth looking into the saving deals right now and putting your money where it will work best for you. And lastly, number 3 on this list, smarter saving. There are apps out there such as Plum that help you save additional money by rounding up your card transactions to the nearest pound and saving the difference. For example, if you spend £2.30 on some food, these apps save 70p for you. Do this for a while and you'll soon have a nice little pot of money without even realizing it. Some banks also offer roundups, such as Chase, who give you a 95% saving on your roundups pot. And that's it for today. We've covered a range of ways to make a little extra cash, from quick online jobs to full-on side projects to using your money more efficiently. Hopefully some of this has been useful and you can put it into action. Please do like and subscribe if this has helped in any way at all. And let us know in the comments if there's any other ways that you've used to help make a bit of extra money. But for now, until next time, cheerio. Let's get it on! That hot. There's no getting away from the fact that things have been getting... There's no getting away during tough financial times. Economic. The third on our last, we've covered a range of different ways to and also ways to start online businesses during rough, tough, and also financial times. Just spilled my coffee. During recession. What was that? Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed this video and all the ones we have done so far. We hope you have learned plenty from our videos and have been able to implement some of the things that you have learned into your affiliate career and maybe even beyond. So guys, we have a little update to share with you now. First up, we're going to be taking a short break from posting to YouTube. We have many projects on the go within affiliate marketing and beyond, so we don't want to be rushing anything and not putting our full 100% into everything that we do. It's not how we like to do things here at Bridging Online. But we'll be back next spring, ready to spring into the next chapter with you all and carry on growing our little community. Secondly, if you have not yet checked out our tutorial video where we talk through all the basics that you need to know to start your affiliate career, then you should do so now. Well, after I finish updating you. So, after this video. But if you have watched it, you may have noticed that there's no bloopers or blunders or other weird noises that escape from me and the weird faces that I pull. Well, don't worry, there are some. There's plenty and plenty more. I am not good at this. We are currently streamlining through all of them, and it will be ready soon. And we decided that we will post this video once the tutorial video has hit 15,000 views. Now that hopefully is an incentive for you to watch it, and again, and maybe a third time, if not more. We hope anyway. And lastly, we do appreciate everything from you guys. Every single like, comment and subscriber. We're just amazed by some of the reactions we've been getting, and we really appreciate it. So thank you. And so keep up the good work. Keep experimenting, keep learning, keep growing, keep trying. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next spring. Until next time, bye.